What's up, guys? It is Mitchell J again, the Scaredy Cat Guide, and Ethereum got classified as not a security by the SEC. So, you see, we got a nice little rally, one-day rally, and a little red today so far, but I was able to turn around and it made a run and basically got to this prior bottom here. It's funny how that works, and now it is essentially kind of running out of gas and figuring out what it wants to do. So, will it push up, or was that just a little mini catalyst about the news? You can see right here, Ethereum rebounds nearly 10% as SEC confirms it is not a security. So, you know, catalysts are always good. It's been a while since we've had any positive catalysts. Seems like most of the news is negative. So, even if it's short-lived, it's nice to see a positive catalyst come through and give Ethereum a little bump and at least relieve the selling pressure for a day. So we'll see what happens here. Again, it needs to kind of work its way back up here, get above, well, it is above 500, but it kind of needs to stay above where it is now to start changing the price action and make a run at this prior high up in the low sixes. In other news, EOS has gone live. So basically needed 15% of the shareholders, coin holders, whatever you want to call it, to vote. And that happened probably about, what was it? About 10 hours ago or so. I remember looking, it was 16.9% when I looked at the little tracker. So yeah, officially good to go. We are rolling. The EOS blockchain is officially live, and obviously with that we got a bounce. So yeah, we got this reversal candle the day before, and then today/yesterday's candle, as you see, got a nice rip, came right back up to essentially this last consolidation point, and now again, same thing. We had dropped, consolidated here, kind of hit its head, couldn't rally, and that's the price we got to. That's the first kind of like stop, first target, so to speak, and now it's seeing, are we consolidating here so it can leg up, or is it going to run out of gas here? So we shall see. The good news is, though, it kind of held support, though, so this prior resistance, and it was a support level that we basically rallied off of several times. Those, you see intraday spikes and then rallies. So that's good that we were able to hold 10, because if not, then we were looking at about $8 for the next level. So yeah, can we form a base here and start to rally? Is the fact that the EOS blockchain going live a catalyst that's going to give us some follow through? I hope so. I mean, everyone that's got the hopes that, EOS is going to go, above these highs in the low 20s and into the 30s and 40s and whatnot. Well, that was all based on when EOS goes live and all the projects start rolling out. Well, if that's the case, we need to start seeing positive price action. I know there's a lot of projects that are due to be announced and or launched at the end of the month on the EOS blockchain. So as those come in, we shall see how price reacts. It better react positive, otherwise that will be a little scary. So that's the deal. Let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick, last but not least. So yeah, like I said in my video yesterday, man, this thing is hodling support for dear life here. So, same thing, got a little bounce, and we're sitting right above these April lows on the daily chart. Like I said in yesterday's video, if you look at the weekly chart, you'll see that there's a lot of price support and I should say, a big pivot point around 58, 5,900. So just keep that in mind if we don't hold 6,500. And if we do, great. I'd love to see us bounce. And, first target is getting back to this prior top at 76, 7,700. And then after that, we can set our eyes again on possibly making a run at 10K. But a lot of work to do before that happens. So that's the upsides. Downside is, well, let's hold 6,500, if not 58, 5,900. So that's the deal with Bitcoin. And yeah, I just wanted to give you guys the news on Ethereum if you hadn't heard it, and obviously about the EOS blockchain going live. And I will throw links in the show notes as always for crypto info and trainings and all that good stuff. So I'll see you on the next video.